Welcome to the team, Justin Steingraber.
Glad to be
Justin
here.
is our investment operations manager, and simply put, that means he helps us deliver exceptional service to our clients in the implementation of their financial plans and investment strategies. Today, we are going to have a lightning round where I'm going to ask Justin 3 questions so you can get to know him better. Justin, are you ready?
Let's do it.
All right. Why are you in the wealth management industry, and what brought you to Boyd Wealth Management?
All right. So I've been fascinated by economics, probably more specifically capital markets, for a long time. Started in high school, really started getting going once we started majoring in economics in college. And from there, it was just kind of, building on the idea of how influential capital markets and economics have been in really shaping the evolution of society and how much they've affected people, whether or not they're active participants in the market. So from there, it was kind of taking that more abstract concept and starting to apply it to the real world and thinking, what's the practical application of this? And from there, the wealth management, financial planning, and investment space just was a very natural fit for me and my passion. From there, Boyd Wealth Management, a lot of places we could start there. I'll try to narrow it down to 2 main reasons. The first is really, as an independent advisor, it's very tough to find the pure, unadulterated objectivity that you get with an independent advisor, and I was immediately drawn to that. And then secondly, I think the focus on making a large impact on a small number of clients versus a small impact on a large number of clients is something that really resonated with me. So I'd say those are the 2 main factors.
All right. You have the coveted chartered financial analyst designation. Tell us a little bit about that, and why in the world would you put yourself through that grueling program?
CFA. So the CFA curriculum is really, I'd say, a tool belt that allows you to look at securities, investment management strategies, assets in general at just a much deeper level than I think most investment professionals get to. And it's much more common on the asset management side. So think, your portfolio managers at mutual funds, hedge funds, or your sell-side analysts at big Wall Street firms. And that was appealing to me for 2 reasons. The first is I think it gives me a much more thorough understanding of the investment landscape and allows clients to feel confident that not only do we understand what's out there, but that we really understand what's happening underneath the hood as well. And the other reason it was appealing to me is much more blunt. It's tough. You can Google hardest test in the world and it's going to pop up. And I do love a good challenge. So that was probably the other part.
Well, I love being the 3rd smartest person on the team. So glad you're here. Okay, what should we know about you personally?
I think a common story these days, I was definitely a lot more interested 6 months ago than I am now, that's for sure. But so married, we have 3 kids, 3 beautiful daughters, and we relocated to the Sacramento area back at the end of 2018. And probably the best family decision we've made so far. We're super happy out here. We have a lot of family close, so that's where a lot of the time is spent, between cousins and, play dates, birthday parties. We keep pretty busy on the kids circuit. So that's a big part of it. Me personally, I like to golf, spending a lot less time on the course recently, as the family has grown, that's become a little bit harder to make time. But yeah, and other than that, we like to read, spend time with the kids, and that's it in a nutshell.
Well, that's a lot. Well, we really want to welcome you to the team. Thanks for being here, and we look forward to you getting to meet everybody and them getting to meet you. So thanks again for being here.
Excellent. Couldn't be happier. Look forward to a lot of years.